Hi guys, this is KS Medkar from Hana Instruments Private Limited, Mumbai. Today we are going to learn about calibration of PH213. Basically PH213, it is a microprocessor based pH meter for pH and temperature measurement. It also has a millivolt range. The pH measurements are compensated for temperature effects manually or automatically with the HR7669/2W temperature probe. The meter is equipped with a large, easy to read LCD which shows the pH or millivolt and the temperature simultaneously together with the graphic symbol. The calibration process is guided step by step through clear indication on the LCD. A stability indicator make the calibration procedure error-free. Through the RS-232 serial port, the data can be transferred to a PC for PH213. Now we will see what we will supply with this PH213. PH213 comes supplied complete with HI1131B pH electrode. This one is HI1131B pH electrode. Then HI7669/2W temperature probe. This one is a temperature probe, stainless steel. Then HI76404 electrode holder. This red one is electrode holder. Then pH 4.01 and 7.01 buffer solution. This is a normal we supply with 20 ml sachet for the calibration purpose. Also we supply the 7071S electrolyte solution. For this is refillable electrode. Then 12 volt DC power adapter and instruction manual. So these all accessories are included in this whole kit. Now we are going to see the functional description of PH213. Basically the PH213 front panel includes the following soft key. This is a large LCD display. You can see the pH measure on primary display and the temperature reading on the secondary display. This is a CFM key. This is key to confirm the calibration values. This is a CAL key, or you can say calibration key, to enter or exit calibration mode. This is a down arrow key to manually decrease temperature or to select the pH buffer. This is the upper arrow key to manually increase the temperature or to select the pH value. This MR key to recall the stored value. Then this is a MEM key, memory key, to store a value in the memory. Then on this side, this is a COMM communication key. This is to set the baud rate. Now this is a range key. The range key is used to select the measurement range. You can select the pH range or you can select the millivolt range. This is the on-off key. It is used to switch on or switch on the instrument. Now we are going to see the rear panel of the instruments. Rear panel of the instrument has the 12-volt DC power adapter socket. This is the 12-volt power adapter connection. Then BNC connection for electrode. This is a temperature connection, temperature probe connection. This is for reference electrode connection. And this is the RS-232 probe. This is for PC connection. Now we will learn how to calibrate this PS213. For the calibration, we require two solutions. Basically, PS213 is a 2-point calibration. You can calibrate for 5 memorized buffers like 4.01, 6.86, 7.01, 9.18 or 10.01. Now we have this 4.01 buffer solution. This one is 4.01 buffer solution and 7.01 buffer solution. So today we are calibrating this instrument for 4 and 7. It is a 2-point calibration. Basically, HANA recommend to calibrate the instrument often, especially if high accuracy is required. The instrument should be recalibrated whenever the pH electrode is replaced, at last once a week, after testing aggressive chemicals, after pressing reset, or if higher accuracy is required. But normally for better accuracy you can calibrate your meter on daily basis. So first we will see the calibration process. First, clean the electrode with the distilled water. You can use the wash bottle for electrode cleaning. Clean the electrode with this after that, use line-free tissue paper to wipe the electrode. Now we are going to see how to calibrate this PS213. This CAL key for the calibration purpose. Just press this key CAL. Now you can see the display. On the primary display it is showing current measurement, and the secondary display it is showing 7.01. At this time you just dip your electrode and the temperature probe in the 7 buffer solution. Now the instrument is getting calibrated. You can see this hourglass symbol. Now just see the display. Instrument is showing CFM and the ready indication. It means that you just need to confirm this value. To store this 7.01 value, please press CFM. So it will store that 7.01 value and it will show the next calibration point on the secondary display, that is a 4.01. So just clean your electrode with the distilled water and again place the electrode and temperature probe both in the 4.01 buffer solution. Now again the instrument show the stability indicator, hourglass symbol, buffer second, the actual value, and the calibration point, that is a 4.01. If you want to calibrate your meter for 10 pH, 6.86 pH, you can do that calibration. Now you can see instrument is showing CFM and the ready on this left side of the display. So at that time you just press confirm. Now instrument will store the calibration. Now instrument is calibrated. Now this is the actual value that instrument is showing. This is a 4.01 and this one is temperature, that is a 28.8 degrees Celsius. So this is a calibration procedure. This calibration procedure you can find on the front panel of the display. It is written step by step. Now we will see the function of the MEM key and MR key. MEM key, it is used to store the last measurement. MEN, it just store last measurement, that is a 4.01, and when you want to view that last measurement you can just press the MR. It will recall that last store point. Also it has unique function that you can change the resolution of the instrument. Now currently it is showing 0.01 in resolution. You can change to 0.001 just pressing this range key for better accuracy. Also for electrode conditioning and the maintenance, whenever the electrode not in use, you can put few drops of electrode storage solution into the cap and just keep this tight, close this cap. So now this is just a simple calibration for PS213 meter.